when we're not sure what we're supposed to do next, this is a beautiful gift because we are then able to clean and say, I don't know what's coming, but I'm going to clean. And whatever comes up, I'll keep cleaning. So, uncertainty in itself is actually a really good thing. Now, what usually happens is we feel uncertain and then we get uncomfortable with that uncertainty. We feel like we should know what we're doing, we should know what's coming next. We should have a sense of a plan or a goal, and that's a good thing. So, a lot of us feel that we need to have the control over what's coming next to feel comfortable. And so we can clean with that need for certainty because it, things can change any moment. Things can change. People can shift. Your path can shift. You clean, and all of a sudden there's maybe a whole different path in front of you because you did cleaning. So uh, the first thing to do, I think, is to clean with this idea of a need for uh, a plan, need for seeing what's ahead. For me, what I'm trying to do is to say, okay, what's the next step? Not where am I going? What's the path? But what do I do in this moment? What do I do right now that's going to lead me eventually, maybe going that way and that way and that way? Who knows what the path is going to look like? But what's the very next place that I put my foot? It's right there. I'm doing that. I'm, I'm, I'm good. I know where to put my next footstep, and that's good.